Hey guys, if you are having problems with your skins, so for example, you're going into your locker and I have this loaded, right? And then I go back here and I see another skin and I can't change it no matter what. Well, there's a fix for that. Actually, you might have done this by accident. So just go back into your locker and go into any of your loads. So just go here, for example. If I go back into play, it's still not changed, right? That's okay. Go back to your locker and I want you guys to press, for most of you, it's gonna be R2. So just press R2. As long as you guys press R2, you should be okay. At this point, if I go back into play, there's my skin. Let me just go back to my locker. Let me do another loadout and go back to play. And there we go, that's fixed. So right now, that's the quick fix. You might have touched it by accident to enable that shuffle. Again, that's R2 on your controller. Okay, to enable and disable it. That's gonna be all the way on the right side of your screen. You're gonna see presets. It's gonna say load, save, and then enable shuffle. That's what you guys have to change. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.